Alright guys, it's about 6:40 in the morning. I left the house about 15 minutes ago. I couldn't get a film because it was dark. And I'm not going to stick a light in my face while I'm driving. So about 6:40 in the morning. Our goal today is to find some parts. We're going to go hit a bunch of junkyards up. I got a list of 10 junkyards in the Phoenix area that I'm going to go hit, boom, 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 and try and find the parts we need. Most of our prevalent junkyards here is in the Phoenix area. Obviously, that's where the people are. I've been to a couple junkyards before, little tiny small ones, never found what I was looking for. And I despise going to Phoenix so much. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, I hate Phoenix. So I never go down there. But today we're looking for a lot of parts, so we're going down there. I got about an hour and 15-minute drive right now, so we got some time. People that are way too freaking impatient, man, over here. There's a line of like 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 15 of us on this road behind a semi, and these guys still just leapfrog between one. This is like a 2-mile long road. Just chill out, guys. Anyway, so what was I saying? Oh yeah, so we're looking for a lot of parts. We're looking for 350Z exhaust. I want to get rid of that stupid rice burner thing that the previous owner put on. It drives me insane. I drive that car an hour a day. It's annoying. So I want to get a stock exhaust for the 350Z. I want to get a back passenger door for the Jeep so I can replace that little quarter panel glass. I want to get a couple of axles for the Jeep, so I want the front and rear Dana 60s. The front Dana 60 I want it out of an 05 and up truck. I thought I wanted it out of any truck. I thought the only difference between pre-05 and post-05 was the spring perch, because pre-05 was leaf sprung and post was coils. And I'm going to be ripping this thing apart and welding on my own crap anyway. So it didn't bother me which one it was, so I was just going to go up for that front Dana 60. Well, thankfully, I was talking to my brother about it, and he informed me that the 05 and up actually changed knuckles, and you can turn knuckle style or something like that, and you can turn a lot sharper. I haven't done any research to see if you can just replace the knuckle with the ball joints, or if you have to replace or if it's built, if the difference is in the axle housing itself. So if I come up to a dilemma and I find one, I might do some research right there on the lot real quick. But apparently 05 and up you can turn a lot sharper, and that would be amazing because this truck is an 04 and the previous F250 was an 01, and yeah, you need a whole parking lot to do a U-turn. So tighter turning would be amazing, especially for a Jeep on the trails. But we're gonna go out there, we're gonna look for some parts, hit all these junkyards, sit through rush hour traffic, and hopefully we get lucky. I'll keep you guys posted. Alright guys, walking around this junkyard. I think I just found the back door. So this is a 1993 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's got it's got good taillights and everything. There we go, 1993 Jeep Grand Cherokee. And here is the back door. So the glass is intact. That's all I need right there, but I'll probably take the whole freaking door. Looks like it's just 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts and some wires, and then when I get home I can take all this trim off. Oh dang it, it's broken. Is it broken or is that tint? That's just the tint. Okay, good, we're still good. Let's see if I can. Yeah, that's just the tint, we're good. That looks like a brake though. Maybe not. Well, I think we found the door. A little bit down the line I find another one. This is from a 98 instead of a 93, but this one has no blemishes on the glass whatsoever. It's black, but you know, like I said, we're just gonna take the quarter panel if it's the same. That's all. Alright, wish I could get this better film, but found the door. I'm also taking those headrests because the seat I bought on OfferUp didn't come with headrests. So we got our electrical disconnected. I already loosened bolts, so those should be ready to come out. And I think we're ready to come out after I pop those bolts completely off. We're gonna find out. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we got our door. Grab our bolts. We don't need the bolts. So grab our ratchet. And there she be. Also sitting here thinking about what else I need. I remembered one of my roof rack bars is being held on by a baling wire, so they've got like 5 of these 1998s. I don't know why 1998 is so popular to be here, but they got like 5 of them, so I'm gonna find the best looking head rack and take it. All right, so striking out on the axles. I found one out of an 08 F250, but they want $400 for it. So what we're gonna do instead is take this 350Z exhaust. 350Z exhaust. Heck yeah. So now I'm on my way home, and I'm hoping I have enough time to get the Z up on the lift and replace the exhaust. Fingers crossed I got enough time for that, because I really hate that obnoxiously annoying exhaust that's on there right now. So anywho, I'll see when we get there. In the meantime, the other thing we're doing on this beautiful Sunday afternoon, when I'm trying not to get overly dirty and involved, is these headlamps. So I just bought some TYCs. I've only had one experience before with TYC, and that was on the 2000 something Chrysler Town & Country. Those headlamps came in, they were great quality, it worked out fantastic. So I'm going to redo this entire front grille. I'm going to build my own grille. Okay, I want to make it very custom. Might look good, might not look good, but we're going to attempt to build our own grille in the future and get rid of this ugly thing and whatnot. And in that time, I'm also going to build some new headlight housings, or that's the plan, and I'll put in some custom headlamps. Not custom, but I'll find some that I like and make it work, essentially. In the meantime, I need this to not be all loose and falling out like that. So we're going to go ahead and put these in. These were like 25 bucks. That's not bad. So quality, don't know, but I can't imagine it's going to be too horrible. So we're just gonna go ahead and, that was literally the only thing hanging this in because all these plastic tabs are broken, was the electrical. I'm gonna pull that out. We're gonna put this one in here that says right. So for 25 bucks, you're getting the housing, which is just a cheap plastic housing. That's all you need for now anyway. But it also comes with the bulb. The bulb is replaceable, it looks like, but not bad. Housing and bulb for 25 bucks. How's this going? I'm guessing like so. So same thing, I'm just gonna pull this electrical in, plug in. So then theoretically, this should just pop in nice and smooth and easy. We're gonna want to not break anything. This looks like it just pushes in. That is not right. So this is with all the words up. So right. I'm an idiot. Right is, if you're something to remember when you're ordering parts online, is right is passenger side, left is driver side. I'm staring at the Jeep and I totally just made that stupid rookie mistake. So not a big deal. We have them both, so you heard and saw nothing. No, even for that, still intact, no scratches, so not bad for 25 bucks. So you want to, because these are plastic, it's pretty flimsy, even the stock ones. Make sure they're all lined up. You can't see this bottom one, so we're just gonna hope that with the top two lined up, the bottom is also. If it's not, that would be rather disappointing. And pop them in. So let's just hope for the best. Boom, all three are popped in. Okay, it's actually really solid, so it makes me feel better. I was kind of nervous for a minute because I thought this whole thing was gonna snap into pieces, but it's in. So let's do this side. The same thing. Oh, hope they can fish out your wire. It's really hard to hold on to those when you put your electrical in. And popped in. Solid. Now we should probably make sure it's gonna work. There they be. We got lights. So for 25 bucks a headlamp, it's as easy as that, guys. These ones are solid. These are TYC. Again, I'll link them in the description below. They're solid. They're not hard to put in or pull out. Feels like you're gonna break them, but neither one broke. So these will work until I can custom build my grill and put in some awesome headlamps. All right, so we are going to put in this battery tray that we found at the junkyard so that I can actually strap the battery down. Okay. There we go. Oh, jeez. Okay. That. Whatever that is. Where'd the screw go that I dropped? Hopefully that works. So this is up here, up here. I have no idea what this is for. We absolutely need to do something with this, but at least I have a battery tray that I can bolt something into when I'm ready. All right, so it's Sunday. We got back from church. Not doing a whole lot, so I figured I'd fix a little mistake I made, a boo-boo. This is my vacuum actuated cruise control, I believe. I'm not 100% on that. And I busted this line when I was pulling this coolant bottle in and out. So it's vacuum operated, it's on the main line. So I just threw a little vacuum plug on here, so that was good. And now we gotta fix the cruise control. I was looking for this whole assembly, can't find it. Some people on Facebook told me just to put in some 1/8 inch line. I don't have 1/8. Ugh. We're gonna pull this off and we're gonna see what I have that might work, which is definitely not that. This is 5/32, way too small. Everybody told me an 1/8 inch, but I'm guessing that's to plug this little tiny thing to the tiny thing. I gotta actually remove the whole hose because it broke. I was hoping in my myriad of crap I got going on, I'd have something that would fit beautifully. Oh, here we go. So this is some 1/4 inch, and it's just a little bit big, but it still makes a decent seal, so I think we'll be all right as long as, and this is the only problem, you gotta turn it and twist it to run something like that, because if you just bend it like, I get the feeling this is gonna end up kinking, but we can try it. We'll do something like that. So I'll pull this off here from the hard line. Oh, and it broke again. Oh no! This is turning into a disaster. There's breaking everywhere. Now the whole system's gonna be broken. Okay, so the next thing on the agenda with this Jeep is every time I touch any of this plastic, it just breaks. Every time, everywhere.
So I got some synthetic line. It's red because they can get me red faster than black. Don't really give a crap if it's red, black, blue, or green, but actually I do, I'd rather black. But they could get me red quick. So I got red. We plugged it in the bottom of the battery box. I don't know what the heck is being vacuumed down there, but something is. So now we need to go to the power steering, or not power steering, this is the cruise control, which attached here before it broke. And then either one, we can end here and wait to replace any more till we absolutely have to, or we can replace the whole line. Right now, I think I'd rather end it here, only replace what I have to for the time being, and we'll replace more when and if needed. So to do this, I'm gonna pull off my previous Band-Aid here, and I'm gonna pull off, okay, well that can stay. I'm gonna cut this off and put a T in. So the T, I bought a whole kit. Bought this whole entire kit of vacuum T's and connectors. I'll link it on Amazon if you're interested. And at the moment, I'd rather only replace what I have to due to time. I'll replace this whole system eventually. But like I said, for today, we're just going to replace what I have to. This is 1/4 inch vacuum line that I bought, by the way. So I'm just going to cut this off here. Okay, throw that on the ground, trip over it later. And now I need some 1/4 inch, a 1/4 inch T. Please tell me there's 1/4 inch T's in here. Here we go. This should be a 1/4 inch T. Just gonna plug this in here. Yeah! Possibly made that line a little bit too short. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut this red silicone right here, and I'm gonna leave a little extra because the battery box moves a little bit. Cut that and slap that in right here. I think I'll actually take this, slide this way down here, and plug that on there. But let me get a little worm gear just to make sure that doesn't leak. I'll come over here and I'm just gonna tighten this on the hard line for the time being. It's probably not the right way, but it's the way we're doing it. All right, guys. Bear with me. I know these videos are a little bit choppy in nature recently. That's because I'm not just taking a day and focusing in on these projects. This is scattered. This is, hey, this is only going to take me 5 minutes, so I'll do it when I get home from work today. Hey, we just got home from church. We're not going to do anything for the next hour. Let me see what I can tackle. So these videos are going to be a little bit choppy as we go with the small projects. But it's all still there. Stay with me. We're making progress. We're about to get to the point where we're going to start doing fun stuff on the Jeep. So first thing is, there's no point in building the axles, doing any of that until it's mechanically reliable, and that takes some time. There's a lot of dry rot, a lot of leaky gaskets. We're making our way through it. The next few videos you're going to see me making a lot of progress on that kind of thing, doing the head gaskets, replacing the exhaust and stuff like that. We're making really quick headway, so stick with me. This Jeep is going to be pretty sweet here, maybe pretty quick. I got some good parts that I haven't told you guys about yet. Stay tuned. You can see right there actually in the background, that's unintentional. I found some rims and stuff for the axle swap when we get there, and yeah, this is going to be an ongoing project. I'm looking forward to it. I'm actually really happy with the progress I've made so far. I feel like I've made quite a bit of progress in very little time, and yeah, I'm pretty stoked to see where this Jeep can go. So if you guys want to help me out and support this project, hit the thumbs up, hit subscribe, check out my other videos, and if you feel so inclined, there is a Zelle link down below. Well, it's not a link. My Zelle email address is down below if you want to help financially, as well as my PayPal information. We also have the Amazon link with some random stuff down there, so check them out. Thanks, guys. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you on the next video.